So guys, my Temu ceramic pots is finally here. So like I told you guys in my previous video that I still have 5 pots coming through the sea. So if you have not watched my previous video where I unbox my kitchen items, you can go watch it. Okay, these are the 5 pots which we are going to unbox together to see the quality of these pots, because I'm so excited to know what's in here. So unbox with me. Okay, let's review these pots and see whether it works buying or not. I'm gonna be sincere with you guys. Honestly, I'll be sincere. Okay, let's go. So let's start with this one first. Okay, I'm not gonna waste you guys time. Okay, that's so smooth and nice. All right, wow. See, it's beautiful and it's heavy as well. I like it, and I like how portable it is. Okay, so this one, I'm happy with it. I like the size because this is what I expected to see, and yeah, I love it. Let's check the next one. Let's see what is in here. Yeah, this is the packaging I was expecting, because the first one packaging, I didn't say anything about the packaging because it wasn't given though. But this is the packaging I was expecting, because I like so much. Prevent it from scratching or breaking in transit. Oh, that's it. I like this one already. Let's see the body then. It's my ceramic clay. This is exactly what I expected. Exactly the way it is on the website. Yeah, the size, everything as I expected it. I like it. I like how portable it is. Okay, to the next one. So this one, whew. Let's check out what is here. I'm so excited. Let's see. Yeah. See this one. Ooh. This is clay ceramics. I can feel it already. Ooh. See the inside? See the back. This is good. Let's check out the next one. Let's see what is in here. Yeah. Hold on, coming. These are all cooking pots. Yeah. See? So cute. I I like it already. So this one, yeah, my expectation for this particular one is high, and I pray it meets my expectation. But I love this one. It's nice and beautiful, but you're gonna be careful when using them. So that's it. The last one, the last but not the least, so let's find out. Oh, I think I got gifts. See, this is my favorite. This one is my favorite. So this one is big as well. What is this? You can see the size of this one is bigger. Yeah. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, okay. It's for here to make this not be hot. This is my favorite in everything I have here. Oh my, I love it. This size is big. See? Oh, it's very heavy, guys. Oh my, I love this pot. I love the size. I love everything about it. It's big enough. Woo. So that's it, guys. That is all my pots. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and where I'm arranging all of them. So this is my beautiful pots, both the previous one I reviewed and the one I just reviewed with you guys now. If you want any of these pots, the link is in my description box below. Okay, so the number you are seeing on the screen is my promo code. If you input this promo code in Temu's app, the search bar in Temu's app, whatever it is that you buy from Temu, even if you don't buy any of these products here, any other thing you buy from Temu, you will get 30% off, which I think is a good deal. And also, the links of these pots are all in my description. Thanks for watching and bye.